This is whipped ganache without gelatin that you can use in different desserts. It is soft, pliable, and holds its shape and definition well when piped. It is important not to overheat the chocolate here. Take it off earlier and let it come to temperature gently from its own heat. That way it is easier to control the texture and not overheat it. Heat part of the cream together with the glucose syrup to about 60 degrees. The glucose is needed here for pliability, a slight sheen, and a more stable, soft texture. Pour the hot cream over the chocolate and first let the mixture come together a bit, and then turn on the blender. This is exactly where the smooth and stable base of the future ganache is formed. When the first emulsion has already become glossy and thick, add the cold cream. It lowers the temperature of the mixture and prepares the ganache for subsequent whipping. For stabilization, pour the ganache into a shallow container, cover with plastic wrap in contact, and refrigerate for about 12 hours. After stabilization, the texture becomes thicker, but remains smooth and pliable. That is exactly how it should be before whipping. While whipping, it is important not to chase only volume. First the ganache softens, then it starts to come together, and here you already need to watch the texture carefully so you do not end up with a heavy and grainy mixture. The ganache holds on the whisk, but it does not stand stiffly. The peak is soft and pliable, and at this moment it is already convenient to pipe. We need not a stiff mixture, but a pliable texture that holds its shape and at the same time remains flexible. This ganache is convenient to use for piping from a bag, for decoration, and in the fillings of some desserts. And in the next video, I will show it already in a finished tartlet, where it will be one of the textures.